Hello everyone, welcome to day 6 of our 30 days editing tutorial in CapCut. So today we are going to talk about another game changer, which is going to be how to add background music to our video or our text. There's some sound effect that we want to add into our text. Maybe as it want to pop up on the screen, we want it to have a sound. So that is what we are going to talk about today. So those sounds they used to grab audience attention as well. So we can create that, and then we can create it even if you are creating vlogs or you are doing any presentation, you can still add it to it. So and then I'm going to show us a step by step of how to add that effect in CapCut. So without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into my phone. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So right now you are in my phone, and then where are we going? First of all, we have to go to CapCut, and don't forget that this CapCut is in series, so don't forget to follow it up. Okay, we already done day 1, day 2, so up to day 5. It's okay. Today is day 6, and then don't forget to follow and watch all. It's a step by step. I'm not rushing it. It's just a small videos that I am doing so that we can be able to get it what we need right, just straight to point. So we are going to enter our CapCut, and then we are going to click on new project. Okay, once we click on new project, we are going to choose what the one that we want to talk about. Okay, so let's choose the one, our video, and you want to add audio to it. Want maybe as I am talking, as you can see that I am talking in this video, and I want to add a background music under it. Okay, that is what we want to do. Where you can see after this edit, the next thing that you see here, it is audio. As you can see under here, then you tap on the audio. Once you tap on that audio, another tools will show for us. We have sound, brand music, copyright, sound effects, extract, text to audio, and record. And then this sound, if you tap on it, it will give you all the inbuilt sound that is already in CapCut that you can use. Then you we'll come back again. Then this brand one is your own music that you have already saved on it that you can use. And then go back again, and then copyright. This one we check. Once you put any audio, it will come to help you to check. You can click on it. Can I have copyright on this audio or not? So that is what this is for. Then you come back to this next one, which is sound effects. This one also is a trending music that you can choose from CapCut and use in your video. So the next one is extract. This one is if you want to go and extract a particular voice or music from any of your video, you just tap on it. It will take you to your phone gallery, and you'll be able to import it in. This one is text to audio. This one you have to write your text. You write it inside it, then you can now change it. They have a lot of different voices that you can choose in your video. For example, you are camera shy. If you are camera shy and you will know what to say, but you cannot just face camera like this, then take your phone, type all the thing that is in your mind, type it in your phone without you showing your face. Then come and paste it here. Once you paste it here, it will generate a voice for you, but you just be like, it's not going to be your own voice. So it's going to be an AI voice that is going to generate for you. So that is what this one's for. Then the last one is record. If you want to do a voice over, so this is where you are going to do voice over. Okay, so that is how easy it is. Let me assume that I want to add a background music to this. What I'm going to do is I'll just click on sound here. Okay, I'll click on sound, then I will look through which one that fits whatever that I am doing. Then I will choose one. Okay, so just choose anyone that you want. Okay, just choose let me see, motion, anyone. Just tap on anyone that you want. Okay, I'll just choose one. So okay, so it will play. You will hear it as it's playing in your ear. Okay, because of I don't know whether to have, we will check the copyright now. So then after that, if you have choose it, you will click on this plus here. this plus, there is plus here. Just tap on plus. You will see it under. That is where you will see this wave here. It shows that you have already had a music, a sound in it. And then this sound, because it will be too loud, if you play it, you will see that it might be even louder than your own voice. Okay, so if you don't want it to be louder than your own voice, we'll come back again and tap on this. Once you tap on it, on that sound, what you do is you have the options to split it. Maybe you have a particular place that you really want, then you can split it and cut it. Let me show you. Tap on it and split. Then you can, maybe you want to delete this one, you can see this delete. Let me bring it back. I've told us how to bring it back. Just to press this back, this curve arrow here, it will bring what I deleted back. And then you can see here, this is delete button under here, then you press on delete. But if you have, now that you have maybe the sound is too loud and it's not good, if the sound is louder than your voice, it's not going to be good. So you can reduce the volume by coming down here, coming down to this volume here and tap on it. So you just drag this place, you drag it down like this. The way you are dragging that, you see that the volume is coming down. So once you play it, it will be very, very low. You will not even hear. To just be going under your voice. If you like music in your video, like me, I don't normally put music in all my video because I'm trying to avoid copyright. But if you have your own personal music, then so we'll drop this. You can also make it fade. This one, if you drag this one, focus your attention here. You will see that this thing will be showing a line, a curve like this. If that is fading, that means it will not stand. You see, you will see that light place that is showing. That is it. If it is back one, also focus your attention. You see, let me go to the end of it. Tap on it and focus your attention around this place. Let me fade it. You will see the way it will be going down. It will be going down. That means that the music will be coming down like this, like this, like this, like this. That is what that is for. So you stop that and then we'll go back again. So you can now check this thing that we put there. Now we can check for copyright. Just tap on it and then it says she will check. So you see, you can export without issue. It will tell you. That means that this one, there's no problem. You can save it, we can use it, but just be careful with music on YouTube. Okay, you always check if there is copyright or not. You cannot guarantee it. I will not lie to you. You cannot guarantee copyright if it is not you that has that music by yourself. But if it is music that you have by yourself, what you are going to do is just click on this extract to go and bring it. Okay, you just go and look for any type of music, and then once you have a music on your phone, just tap on it like this, and they said, see, you can see below here said extract and add audio that is there. Once you add it, you will see it will be down here, the audio that is there. You also see the way you are seeing this, so you can perform whatever that you want to perform inside of it. Okay, so that is how to import your own music as well into CapCut by yourself. Okay, so that is how to do it. It's so easy without stressing yourself. And the second thing I want to show us today is how to add sound effects to your text. Okay, when you have a text, maybe for example, as this video is talking, maybe I want to write something like pop. Okay, you know how to we have already talked about how to add text. So if you have not watched it, kindly watch it. So if you want to add text, you come to this text down here and you write text. Though you can now, let me assume I want to write Ganny, and I want this Ganny to pop up. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll come down here. So when this text will show on the screen, I want to add sound effect to it. So first of all, you can add an animation, maybe like this. I want it to pop up on the screen. So I'll tap on pop up like this, and then I'll go back again and now go and add sound to it. So I want to add sound to this. Where is the text? Here. You see, this is the text here. Let me delete this one. This is the text here. You can see this. See this line here. This line here. You see this line here? That is where the text is. Okay, because if you go back and tap on text again, you will see that it will come down. And here, there's no place to add sound. You still need to go back to that sound place to go and bring the sound. So since you know where your text is, you just go back again and go and click on audio, and then you go look for sound. We are looking for pop. So you can type it here, P-O, and search it. So you can see pop effect sound. So you go just tap on it like this, to add it, you can download it here. Once you click on that download button, then you tap on plus, you see. So when this text will come up, it will make sound. I can hear it. So the same thing, you need to try it. If you don't try it, you might not be perfect on it. Something that you are learning, you need to keep trying it, okay? So that is how you see that they write it down here, pop. So that is how you can add a sound effect. Or if it is laughter that you want to add, let's say maybe that place is funny, then you can add laughter as well. Let's click on it. You go back to sound. All you need to do is to write it here, laughing. Just write laughing here, laughing. You will now go and search it. It will bring different laughing for you. Okay, see that this is just laughing. So that is anything you want to bring. That is how to do it in here. Okay, and you can adjust it. If you want this sound to come down, just tap on it and bring it down. You see, you can adjust it. You tap it on it and move it up. Tap it on it and move it up. You can do whatever you want to do. Let's say you want the pop. This is the pop. You can decide that, okay, let me reduce this laughing. Okay, I want to reduce it. I tap on it, I split it, then I delete the part I don't want. This is laughing. Okay, then what you are going to do is just, if you want to rearrange it, you want the pop to come before maybe another text is there, you want it to show in another text. If you want this pop to show in another text, what you are going to do is you tap on that pop and you scroll and look for duplicate. Once you see duplicate, you see that there are two now. Okay, you can drag one. You see there are two, so you can just tap on one and change the position of it. Just tap one, tap it and change that position. Okay, why is it not changing? So you see, just drag it to change the position. Just drag it. See, just drag it where you want to. Just drag it. Okay, anywhere you want to place it. Okay, just drag it. So anywhere you want, you can adjust the volume. I've showed us how to adjust the volume, and you can do fade in, fade out. I've already shown us how to do it. So it is not is good. Then you can now listen to what you had, whether it came up and or not. Okay, so let me now tell us what we should avoid. Okay, let me tell us what to avoid if we are adding our voice or sound, or when we are adding sound. One thing is that the first is, do not let the sound to be more louder or wear the same level, volume level with your voice, so that they can hear you. Okay, so that somebody can hear you. I've watched a lot of video on YouTube also that the music is too loud. We will barely hear the person that is doing the tutorial. So you have to avoid that. Another mistake is make sure you match the sound. Let the sound match the type of video that you are doing. Don't be talking about slow something and be now hard music that is like a reggae. You should be able to add it. The sound that you want to put, it match exactly what you are doing. Another last one that you should avoid is, do not let sound overlap themselves, because you will not be able to differentiate which sound you want your audience to hear. So please make it clean and then purposeful. Okay, and another one that I even add one, this one is bonus. Use less sound is better. So that is it for day 6. I hope you have really learned how to add background music and sound effects in CapCut to make your video more dynamic and engaging. Okay, so I think I'll give us challenge today. Now I've not been doing challenge. Okay, today's challenge is pick a short video from your phone and add a music track that matches its modes. Okay, that is the challenge for today. So, and then let me know in the comment section if you really do that. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and then my name remains Ganny and this is Grow With Ganny. I will see you tomorrow, day 7. Bye.